Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Intraday FX. This is our first video, which I'm going to share our insights on gold and one or two currency pairs. Like we can clearly see, this is a weekly time frame. You can see clearly on the TradingView platform, and gold is on a ranging for a big range. So this is the all-time high for the gold, which is approximately somewhere around 3500. And if you see, this is the bottom of this current range. But in particular, in general, if you see, the gold has to break these levels, either up or down, to target our goals. This is the weekly outlook, but still we can't figure it out where exactly the gold is going to go. Like, there are no current problems in the world, like no wars, no tariffs, no any issues going on, but we can, based on the weekly outlook, the weekly, if it closes strongly bearish, like if it closes by the evening tonight, later in the evening, until in the New York session closes, and it might close around 300, then we might catch it, sell, like we might look for the sell. So the next week for the almost 1000 pips range, like from 3300 to 3200, at least 500 pips range for the next week. But if I come to daily time frame, this daily candle has to close like really positive, sorry, negative, to like for the move which we want to catch for the next week. But if we see clearly here, there is another thing to catch on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go back to 4-hour time frame. This 4-hour time frame is slowly catching up for the positive side. See, there is a small range over here in the 4-hour time frame, like so, still no trade zone for this time frame. We'll go back to every time frame and check how exactly you can catch the moves. You can see, if gold breaks, if gold breaks 3335, then we can clearly catch this move. Exactly what I'm going to see. We can clearly catch this. Oh, sorry. I guess I'm I'm checking. Yeah, arrow. I was about to take arrow. You can clearly catch this level, like almost all 200 pips move, or maybe more, but at least 200 pips if gold breaks this level. And similarly, if gold breaks above 3400, then we can catch this like easily 150, 200 pips, like it's somewhere around here. You can see this. You can see this. So you can catch these levels. So gold is currently in the small range. If I come back to 1 hour time frame, you can see there's still a range in this to trade. There's still a range in this to trade. We will look back. But if this breaks above, we can clearly catch this like around 100 to 150 pips on the buy side, and the sell side, there is more to catch. If this breaks today, anytime, this is easy clear move till 3310, or maybe till 3300. Like we want for the next weeks, if you want sells, like today, at least we should have some 3300. This is a now 30-minute time frame. You can see it was a clear buy over here. Like this zone, this candle broke above this high. So from here, it was like easy for like 30 to 40 pips trade here from here. So if you see 15-minute time frame, if I come to 15-minute time frame, you can see here. So there was a trade from here 36 till 40. So stop loss of like almost 30 pips and 1-to-1 risk reward. It was an easy trade. You can see here on 5 minutes time frame also. So this was ranging. Gold was ranging from this. Like you can see, gold was ranging here. As soon as it break this level, from 36 almost 37 till 40, you can see it's like easy 30-40 pips with the same stop loss of 1-to-1 risk reward. And this, and if I come back to 1 minute time frame, uh like here, the proper entry would have been here. I You can see this after break of this range. Then see the range was broken and it almost retested this. So from the 1 minute, like as we do the top down analysis from the top to bottom, we can clearly see there's a proper range over here. Now you can see it broke and it retested and it's going back to this level. So almost 40 pips, 40 to 50 pips on 1 minute time frame. But if you want to catch the perfect move, like this was a range when it broke, you can see it broke and retested this small candle it retested, became the hammer and flew up. So you can clearly see this was a proper setup. And if I go to 5 minute time frame, sorry, 15-minute time frame, not five, as we can see clearly, this is holding here because a small resistance you can say this is there is a small zone here. Again, if this breaks, there's a clear catch out till 44.5, 44.5 seconds because there is a major resist, like a small time frame major resistance. Like as I see, this breaks, as I said in the high time frame. If this breaks, then if I go to 30-minute, you can see it. If this breaks, then it's easily catching this levels like 63. But if this breaks, it will fall faster. If this breaks, then it will fall faster. And this is the overview of gold, which we are going to discuss every weekly, twice or maybe twice, 2 times or 3 times in a week. And similarly, if I go to GBPUSD, like any currency pair, as I wanted to discuss, like we'll discuss from the higher time frame, like we'll check weekly outlook, first weekly candle. Still, it's about to close. We still have 15 hours left. So you can see clearly on the right hand side. Just if this closes below this, we can catch this like easy move. 1 minute. Let me check this daily time frame. Still, there is a daily choppy thing is going on. You can see here in the daily. Yes, you'll see this. The daily and 4 hour. If I made this proper, you can see this 4 hour. If this breaks either side, the upside like from the current level, it's 15. It's like almost 40 pips above, and it's 68. It's almost both sides. If it is breaking 40 pips or above at the bottom, like you can clearly see there's a very big downside area. There is at least till like from this zone 3074 till from 74 to 47. It's almost all. It's like 3374 to it's almost 150 range. If so this is a major area where it can catch. If this breaks, then it is easily possible that we can get 150 pips. So currency is like very less risky. You can catch it over. Again, we can check for the Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD has like all the currency pairs like correlated with DXY always have the same pattern. You can see um, here there is a zone on the 4 hour time frame. You can clearly see if this breaks, there is a resistance over here. So maybe you can see there's a bullish candle formation. So maybe it will take till this target of almost 99.14. So maybe then Euro USD, you can see Euro USD, you see clearly there's like it's a mirror. It's a mirror. Euro USD is a mirror of DXY. Most so you can see clearly if this breaks, then we have resistance, sorry, support here as we discussed. So So easy, like it's 100 to from here first support will be this. So from like if it falls, it's easy 100 pips move from the current levels. We have to check on the lower time frame. Let's go back to 4 hour. Sorry, this is 4 hour, sorry, 1 hour. So you can see the pattern is forming. Oh, it's sell. We can sell Euro USD from these levels. Like you can short exactly from this level and stop loss above this level, like almost 30 pips stop loss and target this. What's exactly it's 85 stop loss. Let's see. So this is our entry I'm going to take in my account. Just now, let me take this trade. Euro USD. Yes, I've sold it. Euro USD. Now you can clearly see there's a proper move which is going to happen. Like a stop loss above these levels, an easy catch till like almost all 84 pips. So maybe it can happen today evening or maybe till Monday morning, Monday afternoon or Monday morning to afternoon. So this is going to be clear proper move. So that's it for today, guys. It was amazing making the first video. We'll continue sharing our insights. I just share two currencies maybe in the future, like for the next week, maybe on the Sunday, on the Monday. I'm going to share the next week outlook after the closure of this particular candle, like today's candle on the gold, on the Euro USD GBP, and also I'll see some other pairs as well. Like you can see USD CHF, and we'll also see AUD USD. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Have a great day and also a great weekend. Keep making profits. Trade smartly, unsmartly. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.